Everyone tells you to start an SIP, but almost nobody tells you exactly when to stop one. Right now, millions of Indian investors are throwing their hard-earned money into dead mutual funds month after month. You check your portfolio, see it is in green and think everything is fine. But you are secretly losing lakhs of rupees in potential wealth. Today, you will learn the exact 3 warning signs that mean you must stop your SIP immediately before it destroys your retirement corpus. Warning sign number 1 is consistent underperformance against the benchmark. Do not look at your absolute returns. If your active mutual fund gave you 12% last year, you might feel happy. But if the benchmark index gave 16% in the exact same period, your fund manager failed. You are paying them a fee to beat the market. If they cannot beat a basic cheap index fund over a 1-year rolling period, your money is sitting in the wrong place. But wait, do not panic sell because of one bad quarter. Markets go through cycles. Warning sign number 2 is the 18-month rule. You must give your fund manager 18 to 24 months to prove their strategy. If your fund underperforms its benchmark for 6 straight quarters, it is no longer a market cycle issue. It is a structural problem with the fund itself. This is exactly when you need to act rather than waiting and hoping for a miracle recovery. Warning sign number 3 involves hidden changes behind the scenes. Watch out for sudden hikes in the expense ratio or the exit of the main fund manager. The manager is the brain behind your returns. If the star manager leaves and the fund's returns drop for the next 2 quarters, take that as a massive red flag. You invested because of their expertise. Without them, you are just paying high fees for a completely different investment strategy. So what exactly do you do when you see these signs? First, stop the SIP immediately. This stops new money from entering a bad investment. However, do not sell your existing units blindly. Check for exit loads and short-term capital gains tax. The smartest move is to let the old units sit there until they qualify for long-term capital gains, while you redirect all your new monthly SIP money into a proven low-cost index fund. Let us look at the math. A 4% underperformance on a 10,000 rupees monthly SIP over 15 years will cost you over 20 lakhs in lost wealth. That is the true cost of ignoring your portfolio. Log into your investment account today and check your funds against their benchmarks. Do not let lazy investing steal your financial freedom. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Girish Invests for more practical wealth creation strategies. See you in the next video.